Hello everyone, this is Sushmita. I'm going to explain how is a call made. Our instructor is Mrs. Santoshni ma'am. So my team members are myself Sushmita, Big Glory Shruti and T Nirupa. I'm going to explain about what is mobile station, base station and mobile switching center. Let's start with mobile station. A mobile station is a device used by a mobile user to access the mobile network. The mobile station consists of two units, mobile handset with battery and subscribes identity module SIM. Mobile stations are usually a mobile phone. Each mobile phone contains a transceiver, transmitter and receiver, an antenna and a control circuitry. Antenna converts the transmitted RF signal into an EM wave and the received EM waves into an RF signal. The same antenna is used for both transmission and reception. So there is a duplexer switch to multiplex this same antenna. The next one is base station or base transceiver station, a fixed station in a mobile radio system used for radio communication with mobile stations. Base stations are located at the center or on the edge of the coverage region and consist of radio channels and transmitter and receiver antennas mounted on a tower. A base station is a radio transceiver transmitter or receiver, including an antenna that receives and transmits the signals in the cellular network to customer phones and cellular devices. The base stations maintains the communication between the network and the mobile users through a radio link. Base station is also called as base transceiver station BTS because it consists of transceiver with antenna used to communicate directly with the mobile stations. Each BTS covers a defined area known as a cell. A BTS is under control of a BSC, base station controller, which is in turn under control of MSC, mobile switching center. A base station is a fixed point of communication for customer cellular phones on a cellular network. Base station provides functionalities between mobile unit and mobile switching center. The base station is located in each cell and it links the subscriber mobile unit with the MSC.
Myself Nirupa, I am explaining about mobile switching centers. A mobile switching center is a heart of the entire network connecting the fixed line networks ISDN, PSTN, etc. to the mobile. It manages all calls, related functions, and biller information. The mobile switching center is a telephone exchange that makes the connection between mobile user within the networks from mobile user to the public switching telephone networks PSTN and from mobile user to the other mobile networks. Switching centers which coordinates the routine of calls in a large service area in a circular radio system. The MSC connects the circular base stationary and the mobiles to the PSTN, and MSC is also called as Mobile Telephone Switching Office MISO.
There are three types of call setup requirements: mobile to mobile, mobile to landline, landline to mobile. From mobile phone to a mobile phone. Each mobile has a mobile identification number MIN. When a mobile user wants to make a call, he sends a call request to the reverse control channel. The mobile phone also sends the MIN, electronic serial number ESN, and the dial telephone number. The base station receives this data and sends it to the mobile switching center MSC. The MSC then sends this MIN to all the base stations. The base station transmits this MIN and all the mobiles within the coverage area of that base station receive the MIN and match it with their own. If the MIN matches with a particular MS, that mobile sends an acknowledgement to the ABS. The BS then informs the MSC that the mobile is within its coverage area. The MSC then instructs the base station to access the specified unused voice channel pair. The base station then sends a message to the mobile to move the particular channels, and it also sends a signal to the mobile for ringing. In order to maintain the quality of the call, the MSC adjusts the transmitted power of the mobile, which is usually expressed in dB or dBm. From a mobile phone to a landline phone. Each mobile has a mobile identification number MIN. When a mobile user wants to make a call, he sends a call request to the reverse control channel. The mobile phone also sends its MIN, electronic serial number, and the dial telephone number. The base station receives this data and sends it to the MSC. The MSC validates the request by checking the MIN with records on its database. If it is valid, a connection to the call party is made through the public switch telephone network PSTN. When the MSC requests the base station to move the mobile phone to an unused voice channel so that the conversation can begin. This is how a call is made from a mobile phone to a landline phone. Let us now see how call is made from a landline phone to a mobile phone. It is the reverse process. When a mobile user dials a number to make a call, first of all, a call initiation request is sent to the reverse control channel. Also, with this request, the mobile phone also sends the mobile identification number MIN, electronic serial number ESN, and the dial telephone number. The base station receives this data and sends it to the mobile switching center MSC. The MSC validates the request of the checking and the MIN with the records of its database. If it is valid, a connection to the call party is made to the PSTN public switch telephone network. Then the MSC requests the base station to move the mobile phone to an unused voice channel so that the conversation can begin. This is how a call is made from a landline phone to a mobile phone. Let us now see what handoff and handover is. When a call is in progress, the mobile user, that is the mobile station, is transferred from one base station to another base station without interrupting the call is called handoff or handover. There are two types of handoffs: hard handoff and soft handoff. A connection that is momentarily broken during the cell to cell transfer is called hard handoff. Hard handoff is a break before make process, that is, the mobile unit breaks its connection with one base station before establishing voice connection with our new base station. Soft handoff. A flawless handoff is called soft handoff. A soft handoff is a make before break process, meaning that the connection to the old base station is not broken until a connection to the new base station is made. This is all about how call is made. Thank you very much.